this project was to remove 100 square meters of deteriorating concrete on the Thunder Bay campus of Lakehead University.
We were approached by Green Communities Canada to host deep pave events throughout Thunder Bay. We saw the value in removing hard surfaces and allowing stormwater to infiltrate naturally. We wanted to be a pioneer throughout the northern region to do this. We're the first city in the north to actually adopt the deep pave, and we thought that we could make a difference in the community and bring the community together to support this initiative. So by allowing stormwater to infiltrate naturally, we're reversing that urban water cycle and allowing stormwater to actually naturally infiltrate, protecting local lakes and streams and recharging groundwater.
So the other part of the project was, what are we going to do with this space that we've now removed the concrete with? So we coordinated some student volunteers and also worked with some staff and faculty to consider what will the space look like. So we had a workshop with 11 students where they helped us design the space, and those designs contributed to the final design of the project. We also worked with Werner Schwar, who's a landscape architect, to come up with that final design. And what we wanted was to create an outdoor classroom with 4 demonstration gardens. So the 4 demonstration gardens represent the boreal forest ecosystem, the tallgrass prairie ecosystem, medicinal and edible uses of plants, and pollinator-friendly plants. So we're going to be putting in interpretive signage to show the community some of the environmental benefits of the space, like the de-paving, but also to identify each of the 4 demonstration gardens and to identify the native plants in English, Namaadibinaanowin, and Latin. As well, we are going to illustrate some of the traditional Indigenous uses of those plants. So we really want this to be an outdoor space where students in the community can learn about local ecosystems, threatened ecosystems, native plants, and also have an outdoor space to learn. We know that outdoor spaces decrease stress and increase focus, and then promote ecological learning.
So it creates greening in the community. It brings communities together, and it creates a fun event for volunteers to participate in.
The importance of this project for the university was the collaboration of a bunch of different departments who were involved. The greenhouse grew the plants for this project, as well as natural resources built the benches, along with physical plant donating the bowls, as I mentioned earlier. It's also a collaboration between the students and departments who helped with this vision and helped design this project as a whole.
So Lakehead University released a sustainability plan in the fall of 2019. And this project connects to various actions outlined in that plan. So for example, we really want students, whether it's through research or volunteer or classes, to be involved in projects that advance campus sustainability, so that through applied learning and research, they're really contributing to the future of what sustainability looks like at Lakehead and learning about sustainability outside of the books. When students and staff are involved in type projects like this, they learn about sustainability and either are able to use the things they learned in their own homes or pass them on in future positions that they work in or in the positions that they're in now, and that's really valuable.